Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Geography with Joy. This is Sivalakshmi. Today we are going to discuss about soil resources. It's a very important topic of geography. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. It will help me to serve you better. Let's go into the class now. Soil resources. This is a very vast topic. So, I have divided the content into several parts. In this class, we are going to learn only the introductory part. And the outline is Introduction of Soil, Constituents of Soil, Soil Profile, Soil Fertility, Classification of Soil, Types of Soil and their characteristics, and the importance of soil. Let's explore now. Soil. Soil is the thin layer of loose mixture of small rock particles and rotting organic matter that covers much of the world's land surface. It supports all forests, grasslands and crops from which all living creatures on earth derive their food. Various forces of nature such as changing temperature, running water and wind affect the formation of soil. These forces of nature, along with chemical and organic changes that take place in the soil, contribute to the evolution of soil. Thus, soil itself has evolved over millions of years. The process of soil formation is called pedogenesis. The Earth's body of soil is called pedosphere. Soil has four important functions. They work as a medium for plant growth. They work as a means of water storage, supply and purification, as a modifier of Earth's atmosphere, and as a habitat for organisms. All these functions in their turn modify soil and its properties. Constituents of soil. Soil is a mixture of inorganic material, minerals and organic materials like humus. Soil is derived from parent rock material through a process of breakup or wear and tear. Decomposed vegetal and animal remains, referred to as humus, is an important constituent of soil and adds to the fertility of the soil. It also helps the soil to retain moisture. Besides humus, silica, clay, chalk and sand are the other constituents of soil. Let's talk about the soil profile now. The soil is arranged in layers or horizons during its formation. These layers are known as the soil profile. Have a look at the picture. The horizons or the layers of the soil are shown with different colors and texture. The uppermost layer is known as the topsoil. It is composed of mineral particles, organic matter, water and air. It contains humus, which is one of the most important constituents of soil, and it adds to the fertility of the soil. Subsoil is the next layer below the topsoil, consisting of parent materials which are further reduced to form soil. It also contains moisture and mineral constituents, but no humus. Below this layer is the solid rock material. Each layer of soil has distinct characteristics. Soil fertility. Soil fertility refers to the ability of soil to sustain plant growth. It provides plant habitat and results in sustained and consistent yields of high-quality crops. Fertile soil has the following characteristics. Have a look. It contains adequate amount of moisture to supply essential nutrients to the plants. It has sufficient depth to enable the plants to grow their roots as per their requirement. It supplies water in adequate amounts and proportions for plant growth and reproduction. It is rich in nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium that are necessary for basic plant nourishment. It consists of adequate minerals such as boron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, iron, manganese, magnesium, molybdenum, sulfur, and zinc. These minerals promote plant nutrition. It contains organic matter that improves the structure of the soil. This enables the soil to retain more moisture. Soil fertility can be improved by adding fertilizers to the soil to make up for the missing nutrients. The presence of a range of microorganisms can support plant growth. Fertile soil has good soil structure, which results in well-drained soil. It often contains a large amount of topsoil. Classification of soil. According to its location, soil can be categorized as residual or sedimentary soil and transported soil. Residual soils are those soils which are formed in situ, that is, they are formed in their original position by the breaking up of parent rocks. They include black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil, etc. On the other hand, transported soils are transported by various agents of erosion and consist of sediments carried and deposited by rivers and winds. Types of soils. All soils that share a certain set of well-defined properties form a distinctive soil type. Soil type is a technical term of soil classification, the science that deals with the systematic categorization of soils. Every soil of the world belongs to a certain soil type. Here, for easy classification, we have divided the soils into 4 basic types. They are sandy soil, clayey soil, silt, and loam. Let's discuss each one of them in detail along with their characteristics. These are the different types of soil. This is sandy soil, this is clay soil, this is silt, and this is loam soil. Let's explore them now. Characteristics of soils. Let's talk about sandy soil first. They are light, warm, dry, and tend to be acidic and low in nutrients. They contain 60% sand and 10% clay. They allow water to pass through. They are good for cultivation only if fertilizer is added. It is good mainly for fruits and vegetables. They are often known as light soils due to their high proportion of sand and little clay. Desert soil is mostly sandy soil, found in low rainfall regions. Vegetable plants that thrive in sandy soil are carrots, radishes, potatoes, lettuce, collard greens, tomatoes, zucchini, corn, asparagus, watermelon, beans, and cucumber. Next is clay soil. Let's talk about its characteristics now. It has more than 60% of clay. It retains moisture and is sticky in nature. Its fertility improves if sand and chalk are added to it. It is a heavy soil and is rich in nutrients. It remains wet and cold during winter and dry during summer. It is mostly found in areas with substantial amounts of annual rainfall. Heavy clay soils are slow to warm, so planting early spring crops could not be possible. Heavy clay soils are suitable for crops like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, both red and green, cabbage, Napa and Savoy, cauliflower, kale, beans, peas, potatoes, and daikon radish. Loamy soil. It contains a mixture of sand, silt, and clay that are combined to avoid the negative effects of each type. It can be very fertile with the right mixture of sand and clay and provide good drainage. If a higher percentage of sand is present, it is called as sandy loam, and if the percentage of clay is higher, it is called as clay loam. As the soil is a perfect balance of soil particles, it is considered to be the gardener's best friend. It is found in a majority of successful farms in regions around the world known for their fertile land. Loamy soil is ideal for growing several crops that are wheat, sugarcane, cotton, pulses, and oilseeds. Vegetables also grow well in loamy soil. Some examples of common vegetables and crops that grow well in loamy soil are tomatoes, peppers, green beans, cucumbers, onions, and lettuce. Next is silt. They are fertile, light, moisture retentive, and highly compact. As the soil comprises of medium-sized particles, they are well drained and hold moisture well. By adding organic matter, the silt particles can be bound into more stable clumps. Silt is a common sedimentary rock composed of tiny particles smaller than sand size, yet larger than clay size. It is found in streams deposits, lake beds, etc. On the heavier silt soils, mainly grass, cereals or fruits are grown. Yield potential is very high. However, on the drained light silt soils, there are no limitations to crop growth. A wide range of crops can be grown containing wheat, potatoes, sugar beet, vining peas, bulbs, and field vegetables. At the end, let's talk about economic importance of soil. Soil plays a crucial role in the economy of a country. It is the backbone of our food security. Without healthy soils, farmers would not be able to provide us with feed, fiber, food, and fuel. It is the foundation of the basic ecosystem function. Healthy soils act as a foundation for plants by supporting plant roots and keeping plants upright for growth. Soil acts as a pantry for plants. It stores water for plants. Soil maintains adequate aeration for plants, providing oxygen for microbes, insects, and plant roots. Soils are the habitats for beneficial soil microbes. These organisms are nature's hidden helpers. Soil is the home to many other organisms like insects that lay and hatch eggs in the soil. It filters dust, chemicals, and other contaminants of surface water. This is why underground water is some of the cleanest sources of water. Healthy soil helps protect the plants from climate change. It helps regulate the Earth's temperature as well as many of the important greenhouse gases. Healthy soil provides farmers with better crop yields and protect plants from stress. Soil is commonly used in antibiotics. When it comes to human health, almost all of the antibiotics we take to help fight infection were obtained by soil microbes. Healthy soil protects the soil from erosion. It is a non-renewable natural resource. According to the Food and Agricultural Organization, it can take hundreds to thousands of years to form a centimeter of soil. But that single centimeter of soil can be lost in a single year due to erosion. Soil provides employment to a large number of workers in the agricultural and food sectors. Soil acts as a holding facility for solid waste. Healthy soil mitigates the impact of extreme weather events. Soil is used in the making of beauty products too. Commonly used beauty products where soil is used in the production include blush and foundation. Soil rich in clay can also be used in facial masks and toothpaste. Soil helps control weeds, plant pests, and diseases. Clay soil is used in the making of ceramics and pottery. When water is added to clay soil, it can be used to create ceramics. Once formed, you can leave it to dry and it will retain its shape. Any type of ceramic can be created with a clay soil, such as a vase, bowl, cup, or sculpture. Soil is the foundation of a building, road, houses, schools, etc. In fact, soil affects how buildings are made. Soil holds Earth's history, containing artifacts from dinosaurs to ancient human civilizations from our Earth's past. There is a lot of history stored in soils. This is the end of the class. I hope you have understood and enjoyed my class. In my next class, we will discuss about soil erosion and soil conservation. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. See you in my next class. Till then, take care and have a good day.